Welcome back to Futzel Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a game changer when it comes to mayonnaise. This is a vegan mayo recipe that I found in Gwyneth Paltrow's The Clean Plate. And I love this because you can make it with things that you have in your pantry. So you're going to take the liquid from your garbanzo bean can. Again, use a BPA free lined can. And it's a half a cup. So we're just going to measure out the liquid here. Add that. A pinch of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, which is about half of a lemon juice, so just squeeze that in there. And then the key is grapeseed oil. I'm going to turn on my blender and let it run, and what's amazing is you're going to see this clear liquid turn into something white. So that quick recipe turned out to be this beautiful mayonnaise that does not have a bitter flavor like some olive oil mayonnaises that you make at home, nor does it taste like eggs. Okay, let's make the vegan buttermilk dressing. This is gonna blow your mind. I have 1 cup of the aquafaba mayo that we just made. So I've got that. Then I have the zest of 1 lemon that I've already zested, and remember we only use the yellow part, not the white pith. I have 2 garlic cloves that are just roughly peeled. They're peeled and roughly chopped because they're going to get chopped up in the blender. Great prominent dill flavor. And it's got that creamy texture. You would never know this is vegan. If you don't like dill, you can use any leafy green herb. Basil, tarragon, parsley. In fact, if I were going to mix this with like a Southwest or Tex-Mex food, I would definitely make it cilantro based. Who knew? I mean, you make this in under 10 minutes. It's faster to make this than go to the store and buy ranch dressing. This is definitely a game changer.